I- It's me, Mario. Nah, just doing a video review. Anyway, some terms that I need you to know for the quiz on Friday. You need to know what the Espionage Act was. You need to know what the Sedition Act was. You need to know about the reasons why we got involved in World War One. You need to know the terms nationalism, militarism, ethnicity, Franz Ferdinand, gunboat diplomacy, Gavrilo Princip, Kaiser Wilhelm, Triple Entente, Triple Alliance, Black Hand, War Industries Board, Unterseeboot or U-boat, Zimmermann, Lusitania, Selective Service Act, Liberty Bonds, Daylight Savings Time, Versailles, the Spanish flu epidemic, League of Nations. You need to know why Wilson didn't finish his post-war tour. You need to know why they thought that World War One would be the war to end all wars. You need to know why the United States was anxious to join the Allies instead of the Central Powers. You need to know, and this is your big essay question, and this is the longest question on the test. It'll be worth 10 points, and that is, how did the alliance system lead to World War One? We talked about that, where all the countries were allied with each other, so what should have just been a simple fight involved everybody all at once. So that's the simple answer, but you also need to be able to tell me exactly how it happened, what got which countries involved, and how. You need to know what the Schlieffen Plan was and how it failed. You need to be able to tell me life in the trenches. You need to tell me about propaganda, how it was used, some ways that they encouraged the use of conservation of food and fuel during World War One. Like I said, German-sounding words or names that were changed during World War One. Life in the trenches. And Charles Schenck and how he was affected by the Espionage Act and the Sedition Acts. And if you study all of those things, you will be fine for the quiz coming up on Friday.